Hello, lovely people. Welcome back. Thank you all for tuning in to Vibe's Kitchen, where indeed so heavenly recipes are made. Family, today we're not wasting much time in the kitchen. On our menu, we have baked, juicy, and glossy, delicious chicken. I want to show you the simple recipe to achieve this. Let's get started. I have my butter, I have my coriander seeds, black peppercorn. I have my star anise seeds. I have my mixed herbs and my bay leaves. I also have my ginger powder, my paprika powder, my Cajun seasoning. I have my garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder. I've also got my spring onion, my bell pepper, the yellow one and the red one, as well as the green one, which are all nicely cleaned and chopped. I've also got my fresh ginger, nicely chopped. I've got my green chili, my chopped and nicely clean garlic, and my red onion, as well as my fresh rosemary. Guys, these are all the ingredients we are using today for our super tasty chicken drums. Let's get started. I've already cleaned and washed my chicken drums. I used my lemon juice, salt as usual to clean them nicely. Now let's add all our natural aromatic seasoning powder and use a clean hand or use a glove to cover your hand and then rub it in nicely. Make sure that the seasoning covers every part of the chicken drum so that it will taste good, okay? Wow, I love the seasoning. It smells so good already. Guys, now let's put that aside and continue with our cooking. We are going to melt our butter and continue from there. The butter is melted, and as you can see, I've transferred it into a bowl. I'm adding olive oil to the butter, and now I'm going to add the seasoning. Guys, these are my coriander and then the rest of the other seasonings. You can choose to blend it into powder form if you want, and then you add all the other aromatic vegetables like I'm doing right now. Lovely people, if you're enjoying this video so far, give your girl a big thumbs up. Comment and share this video for other people to see and be inspired as well. Now that I've really mixed everything together nicely, I'm adding the chicken drums to the vegetables, and guys, I'm still going ahead to mix it together, to just mix everything properly together. I want the butter and all the juice from the vegetables, the aroma and the flavor from the natural seasonings to penetrate the chicken drum so that it would taste extraordinary. It would taste so scrumptious, guys. This recipe is amazing, and I want you to keep watching till the end and you'll be blown away. I love this recipe, that's why I'm sharing it with you, and I'm so hopeful that you'll be inspired to try this right away. Okay, so look at that. Isn't this beautiful? It smells so good right now. I love all the aromatic that I've used. You can use any seasoning of your choice, and also you can use any vegetable of your choice. Okay. Right now, I'm covering it up nicely and tightly, and after that, I will leave it in the fridge for about 45 minutes to 1 hour because I want this chicken drum to marinate properly so that when I taste it, I'll know that yes, I've tasted a delicious chicken. Some chicken don't smell good at all. Like some chicken, sometimes when you smell it, even from afar, you know that it has some funny smell. This recipe right here will let your visitors, your friends and family love you the more. Like you just impress them with this recipe. So guys, keep watching and don't miss a step, okay? So we are back after 1 hour and we are going to, of course, bake our chicken nicely in the oven. Wow, I love the aromatics. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. In order for our chicken drum to achieve that glossy effect, you're going to add a little bit of the olive oil. You can as well use butter or any other oil of your choice. Look at that. This is so beautiful. You're going to put it in the oven for some minutes and then you come back, okay? Look at that. It's going to bake nicely and it will look so glossy and appetizing. We are back. So right now the chicken is almost half baked and we are working on how it will look so glossy, and this is how you are doing it. Okay, we are spraying some more oil on top of the chicken and then we take it back into the oven. So we will keep repeating the same process until the chicken is all done and ready. Right now, it's time for us to turn over the chicken since one side is done. Okay, so one side is done and then the other side has to be also baked nicely. As I said, we have to repeat the same process so the chicken is all done and ready. Ah, my goodness. This smells so good. And guys, my house is so heavenly right now. And please, guys, don't just watch this video. Try this recipe and bring me the feedback. I'm so impressed with this recipe and I'm sure you are inspired. Please give this a try and you'll be blown away. Wow, what an amazing aroma and smell, guys. Just like that, our oven baked, super tasty, glossy, and juicy chicken drum is ready. I'm so impressed and I'm sure you are inspired to try this recipe. Give it a try and you'll be amazed. I am so loving this. Thank you for watching till this point. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye you all. Enjoy. Mwah. Kiss.